Hello! Welcome to this tutorial video. If you would like to learn more about phone charms, as well as to check out my own personal phone charm collection tour thingy, please check out my previous video before this. But if you've already watched it, let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. So there are two ways that you can make your own phone charm, and they're both fairly simple. I will be showing you how to make the beaded kind of like this one right over here that's trendy right now with just one string. And then after that, I will be showing you how to make the kind that's kind of like these tiny charms with like a little figure and stuff. I'll be showing you how to make one of these as well. All right, so what you'll need for the beaded phone charm are, number one, string, your string of choice. So you could use stretchy string, or it also doesn't have to be stretchy as well. You can use like the waxed kind. It's completely up to you, whatever kind of string you want to use. And second, you are going to need beads. So beads of your choice. It's totally up to you, however you want to design it. So I've got a bunch of beads here, and I personally like getting beads from Delish Beads, Bead Tin. I also like checking out Etsy for some pretty unique ones, and of course craft stores, they have a ton of beads there as well. And lastly, you are going to need a pair of scissors to cut the string. So first off, you are going to cut a long piece of string, and make sure you cut it long enough, and keep in mind that you will be kind of like folding it in half, also leaving an extra part at the top because you'll be tying this into a loop, and that loop is what you will use to attach to your phone. So just keep that in mind. Though I like to cut it a little bit longer than what I think I might need, because you know, you never know what might happen. Maybe you need to cut off some like extra bits of string. Yeah, now that you have the long string, you're gonna fold it in half, and then where you have the turn, the like loopy part at the top, not the two ends, but you know, the opposite, you are going to twist and pull through the string so that you will make a knot at the top. And then after which, you're just basically gonna string on whatever beads you want to add to it, decorate it however you want to. And once you've got all the beads on, you would just tie the ends, maybe kind of hide the knot with one of the beads, and voila! There you have it. Okay, now for the charm character kinds of strap, you will just basically need two things. So you will need a cell phone strap with split ring and lobster clasp. So one of these things. And they've got it in a wide range of colors. So look up cell phone strap with split ring and lobster clasp. And then you will also need the charm that you would like to turn into a phone charm. Some of the charms come pre-made with the hook at the top, or they also might have like a hole. And like with beads, you can find these charms on Etsy, craft stores, or you can also make your own with a little figure. So let's just say that like the strawberry right here, if it didn't have a hole at the top, kind of like this charm or the lollipop, you can screw in one of these metal things. So this is called a screw eye pin, and you could basically just make a hole at the top and then screw it into the charm. Or you could also just drill a tiny hole with one of those like drilling thingamabobbers to turn it into a charm. And then pretty much anything can become a phone charm. Like if you want to I just realized the scissors already has holes, so you could just probably turn it into a phone charm already. But but yeah, the idea is just to take the cell phone strap with split ring and lobster clasp thing, and you would just basically hook it onto the hole, and voila! Phone charm! Yahoo! Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to attach the phone charm to your phone case. So there's several ways that you can do this. So if your phone doesn't have like the holes on it already on there to hang your phone straps, you could get a phone charm holder. So this heart thing that I have right over here, it's called a phone charm holder. I found this one on Etsy. They've got them in a whole bunch of colors and shapes and sizes and whatnot. Otherwise, you could just make the hole. So, you know, like I was mentioning earlier about the charm, you just drill 2 small holes on the side of your phone case to create them. But if you don't want to do that, there's a way to hang it on your phone case without, like, you know, maybe damaging it or sticking something permanent on the phone case. So with your phone case, there are 2 spots that you can attach your phone charm to. One side is this part right over here. You would basically just attach it. This is where like the iPhone's silent switch is. You just string it through and then or at the bottom near the charging port, you could either put it through here. Like these are the little speaker thingies, you know, you could hang it through here, like right here or right here. So let me show you. So you see how this charm is kind of like too big and the string is like way tiny? If you have a phone charm where the charm is too big, you just take off the clasp, and then once you have it strung in, you can attach it back. Let me show you how to do it on the side. So, you know, you just go through the hole, you pull it in, and then you grab the clasp and you push it through the hole, and then pull, and then it's attached. You just basically do the same thing at the bottom. Just like just now, you just string it through the hole and then put the clasp through the hole. So grab that clasp and then pull, and then there you have it. So let me attach the charm and show you how it looks like. So, so I attached it back and I put my phone on the case and ba-bam! There you have it. So you can either hang it at the bottom or the side. But there you have it. If you've got any other questions, feel free to leave them leave them down below, and I will try my best to help you out. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out my previous video for my phone charm tour, but other than that, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye! Bye! Take care!